Drones are attracting attention as the new favorite in the era of the fourth industrial revolution. The industry is expanding fast, from inspections of industrial sites that are difficult for humans to directly access, to life-saving, logistics delivery, and even urban public transportation. But how bright is the future? As drones are used in various industries, related accidents occur frequently. Is there any way to solve this problem? From here on in, let us reveal the ultimate innovative solution. Drone hijacking is one of the most common hacks that can occur during drone operations. A hacker can take full control of a drone by hijacking the drone with fixed command codes. Drones with OTAC technology can be controlled with dynamic codes without additional hardware, even in a one-way communication environment between the controller and the drone. This is impossible with the existing OTP technology or the tokenization technology of the ring structure, and can be implemented only with OTAC technology. The peer identification system for military command and control is an essential technology for drones operating in sensitive environments. If an external hack is applied to this system, a friendly drone can quickly become an enemy or a spy to steal inside information. OTAC provides the most secure peer identification environment by generating a unique dynamic code locally on peer identification equipment and authenticating this dynamic value. Beyond simply distinguishing friendly and enemy drones, OTAC also solves the integrity and control of multiple information issues. As the number of flying drones increases, various issues such as falls or loss due to unforeseen circumstances such as inexperienced piloting or natural disasters are inevitable. To prevent this, the drone is equipped with a flight data recorder that stores the actual flight record. However, this device is vulnerable to forgery and tampering and can be maliciously utilized in the wrong hands. FDR with OTAC eliminates these concerns by converting and storing the flight information generated by the drone into OTAC. OTAC creates a dynamic code that changes every time without additional hardware, such as an encryption module, even in situations where server connection is lacking or non-existent. This completely blocks the hacking of flight information theft, forgery, and significantly improves the function of the flight data recorder. OTAC and drones align to create new opportunities. From building a safe and secure environment from external threats to the control environment that is yet to be solved. Until now, innovate security with SenStone.